Hey, what's good guys, it's Zach, hope you all are doing well. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look at OnePlus's brand new Lava Red OnePlus 5T. Now as you guys should know, red is my favorite color, so I was super excited to get my hands on this one. Back in January, OnePlus released the Sandstone White OnePlus 5T, and it had a red alert slider. It looks really good, I am a big fan of it, but the red one has that too, and of course the whole entire back of the phone is red as well. It looks really nice, the attention to detail is excellent, and like OnePlus says, this color variant is synonymous with OnePlus. So if you guys are interested in picking one of these up, I went ahead and I left all of the information that you need to know down below in the description, so make sure that you check it out. So what do you guys think of the Lava Red OnePlus 5T? Personally, as you guys should already know, I am a huge fan of this one. What do you guys think about it compared to the Sandstone White? If you had to choose one, which one would you go for? But anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That does it for me. I will talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.